How to change your country on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your country on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click this one on your profile, and now click settings and then accounts and profile, and now all you need to do is just go down and click here your profile. And then just go down and click here and select any country you want, like anything here, and then click save changes. And as you see, the country has been updated. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.